Alright, so we're back in paradise, and today is the day we're gonna get the truck running. So, yeah. But before we put everything back together, we're gonna make sure it actually starts because we got a different flywheel and starter on there.
We gotta get the starter hooked up.
Yeah. So we're gonna bolt on the starter, see if it cranks over. If it cranks over, then we're gonna put the new transmission on, new torque converter, bolt it all back together, and we're about to go mudding.
Yeah,
it's gonna be sick.
Start breathing again.
Yep. And congratulations to Sir Shaw. You won the sticker contest. So yeah, here's a new transmission. You guys probably already saw it, but it's a little bit of an update because I haven't been posting about this truck for a while. Yeah. We finally got the new starter and flywheel installed, so we're gonna try to use the Miata to crank this, jump start it. So yeah, and gotta love Zach's do-it-yourself battery holder, even though it's supposed to go over here. But
it can go both ways.
Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. All right, so yeah, we're gonna see if this thing will. We're hoping that it starts because one, the flywheel and starter is different for this engine, and two, we don't know if we wired the starter up correctly. So it'll be pretty interesting. Hopefully, if all goes well, I'll turn it over. So.
Oh shit, make sure nothing's in the way of the fan. The fan right there.
It's just this cable. I don't think it's gonna hit the shroud.
I got disconnect that.
Alright, cool. Yeah, so if it cranks over, that's good. Don't even try, like, you know what I mean? Don't start it.
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. Nothing.
Not even a lights or anything like that.
Let me rough it a little bit. I know no lights.
Not even a light turns on. That battery, that clamp.
Yeah. Well, but the thing is, you should at least have dash lights coming on, right?
Yeah, nothing going on.
Because all that wiring is for is a starter, so.
Oh, God damn it.
All right, so Ian just hopped the curb. He didn't know the curb was there.
I'm surprised it actually like made it over.
I know.
Fuck it.
Oh, dude. What? It's kind of touching on this side.
No, it's like barely on this side.
Alright. We're just gonna wing it. Let's sit on it.
Alright, ready?
Woo! You're just gonna wing it? It's not gonna go anywhere.
No, that's not gonna work.
No. Kind of stuck.
But if we just jack this side up, it would be good.
Yeah.
It's so stinky.
Ian, just jack the front up and then reverse.
Gabe,
That'll work.
the tires are gonna be off the ground, dumbass.
Well, they'll touch the curb dust, I think.
Okay, fuck it.
You know what I mean?
I guess. Where's the... Oh!
It's 2 JDM.
No, it's fine.
Just gotta jack it up like a ride.
I've done this multiple times.
That's good.
Oh, my JDM jack.
Fuck yeah.
It's gonna reach. Look at this.
Dude, look at this guy over here.
See the guy watching?
Yeah.
Oh, he's fucking funny.
Oh, fuck it. Is it gonna work?
It worked. It worked.
Do it again.
Oh, push, buddy.
Damn it. Go ahead, jack it up.
You gotta jack it up, man.
Jack it up, man.
Jack it up.
Is it still on it?
Huh?
Is it still?
Jack it up. Is it still on it?
Worst comes to worst, we'll do a drag.
I don't think it's on it.
No, it flipped.
Oh shit. Okay, so we just gotta go ham and just fucking. Nope, it's spinning like crazy.
Oh Lord. Should we jack it down? Get a burnout. Alright, so we're in the parking lot, just getting done from the JDM buffet, and
Shout out to Panda Buffet.
yeah, and Ian decides we're gonna leave, and he decides to pull forward, but there's a curb right there,
Yeah.
so he didn't make it so far. So now we're gonna get this guy to
Awesome guy to pull us out. Yeah. Sweet.
Novice Garage sticker.
Dude, give him a Novice Garage sticker.
Well, this wouldn't take much. Pull it anyway.
Yeah.
I'll just take it easy.
All right, man.
You good?
Start backing up.
Start backing up. Oh yeah. Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
Truck.
Fucking straight line.
Alright guys.
Yeah. Look at my pants.
What?
Not again.
ATF's a bitch, man.